Welcome to Navigation in Word 2010 for writers. I'm John Richardson. As a writer, I like to start off with an outline, whether it's a nonfiction book or a fiction book or other long document. I find that outlining gives me an advantage. It allows me to put my ideas down quickly and lay things out and move things around. Word has always had an outline function, but in 2010 they've added a quick way to access it. Let me show you how it works. In this particular template that I would use for a fiction book, I've laid out sections, chapters, and scenes. The sections I've used heading 1 under the Styles menu. Under the chapters, I've used heading 2, and for the scenes, I've used heading 3. For the scene descriptions, I just used basic text. So it goes heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, basic text. I've laid out just some sample chapters, some sample scenes, and put together the document this way. Well, if I were to pull this into an outline view, it would be a separate page from my basic document, and it's really clunky going back and forth. It works, but it's a little clunky. 2010 has added a navigation view. The way you get there is either through holding down the Control key and hitting the F as in Frank key, or go up to the View menu and click on the navigation pane. This shows you an outline of your document in a hierarchy based on your heading styles. So as long as you set up your outline using heading styles, they will be laid out in this window. And headings 1 go to the left, heading 2 go next over, heading 3, and you can use headings all the way down to a heading 5 or a 6 in a document depending on how deep you want to go in the navigation. The cool thing is this allows you to see quickly how your document's coming along, and it allows you, in this case, to move your scenes around. Let's say I'm writing this book and I want to move the car scene ahead of the house scene. With just a click of the mouse and a drag, I have moved not only the scene but all the text underneath the scene above my other scene. So quick and easy. So instead of having to do a huge cut and paste job, just click, click, boom, and my book is reordered. I can also move chapters around. Let's say I want to move chapter 3 above chapter 1. Gosh, it moves not only the chapter, but it moves the scene and all text below it above the other chapters. Quick and easy way to lay out a book. But the navigation pane doesn't end there. It's got 3 tabs at the top: the outline view, the page view, which allows me to go page by page and see how my document's coming along, and it's also got this handy find feature. In my document that I've created, I have the word airport interspersed in different areas. Let me show you how this works. If I type in the word airport and search for it, I've got 6 matches, 4 here, and I've got some down on these lower pages. So if I want to quickly go to this particular version of the airport, I just click there. It takes me down to the other page where that particular instance is. So I can quickly go back and forth between all versions of that particular word. Very handy for finding words or phrases throughout my document. And when I go back to the outline view, it shows me the different in the outline view where all those particular words are. So there again, I can click here, go to those particular words. I can go by page, or I can go by the find view. Next time you're using Word 2010 or Word 2011 for the Mac, make sure to open up the navigation view and try these helpful features. You'll find that you'll get through your document much, much faster. Thank you.